Hello everyone, welcome to EVA TV, telecasted by Edenbridge Academy, Tapasi, Kathmandu. It's me Susmita Shrestha, the mathematics teacher. Today I'm going to explain you how to do easy mathematical tricks. So students, are you ready? Okay students, I have written here some numbers. Now I will teach you how to do easy mathematical tricks or multiplication. Okay, so students, let me start. Okay, here is 53 times 57. Now what is the answer if we multiply 53 and 57? Okay, if you don't know, then I have one trick here. So you can see here, first number, first digit 5. Just remember that this 5 comes after what numbers or what digit comes after 5? 6, right? So let's multiply this 6 with 5. 6 5s will be 30. Now remaining number is 3 and 7. Now let's multiply this 3 with 7. 3 7s will be 21. So 53 times 57 is 20. Understood students? Okay, now in the same way, let's do next example. What is the answer of 46 times 44? Any guess? Okay, so here also same the first way. What comes number 4 after? Number 4 after will come 5. So 5 multiply 4. Multiply this 5 with 4. 5 4s are 20 and 6 4s are, this 6 4s are, 6 multiply 4 will be 24. So 24, this is our answer. So that means 46 times 44 is 24. Did you understand students? Okay, now next tell me what is the answer? 31 times 33. 31 times 39. Okay, let's repeat the same tricks. What comes number 3 after? Number 3 after comes 4. So let's multiply this 4 with the first number 3. 4 3s will be 12 and 3, this 1 multiplied by 9. 1 multiplied by 9 will be 9. So when we multiply 31 times 39, our answer comes 9. Okay, now again same process. So which number comes after 6? Number 6 after comes 7. So let's multiply 7 and 6. 7 6 are 42. And here let's multiply this 1 with 9. So 9 1s will be 9. So 61 times 69 or 69 times 61 will be 4209. Okay, now how to do of this 3 digits number? This one is also same process. So which number comes after 11 digit? It comes 1 to 12. So let's multiply this 1 to 12 with 11. It will come 132 and the remaining number is 7 and 3. So 7 times 3 will be 7 3s will be 21. So 117 times 113, answer will come 13221. Okay students, now again let me remind with one example that when we multiply 53 times 57, always the first number, what is the first number here? 5. Now which number comes after 5 is 6. Multiply this 6 with 5, 30, and the remaining last one digit number will be 3 and 7. 3 7s are 21. So this is our answer, and we can follow this by this tricks. To do these easy mathematical tricks, we need two conditions, and first condition is there are two conditions to do these easy mathematical tricks. The first one is the number exists should be in tens. That means at the same 5 5. Here we have is 5, 53 and 57. Same like here 46 and 47, 31 and 39, 69 and 61, 117 and 113. That means the first condition is when we multiply or when we use these tricks, our first tens digits should be same, and the next one is the unit digit should be at tens. There are two conditions to do easy mathematical tricks, the previous example. Okay, the first condition is the number exists in tens have to be same, just like 53 and 57, 46 and 44, 31 and 39 and so on. That means the number should have just same digits like 117 and 113. Okay, now second condition is the unit digit should always add up tens, like the addition of two digit number should be tens. Here in the previous example you can see there 3 plus 7 will be 10, 4 plus 6 equals to 10, 9 plus 1 equals to 10 and so on. So when those two conditions are satisfied, these tricks will work like a magic. In case if these tricks don't work, then also no problem students, because we have some other more methods to do or to solve such mathematical tricks. I hope and believe upon you that you have learned some tricks of how to do in easiest mathematical tricks. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.